23rd of September 2025. We've got the maintenance week at Melbourne House. The guys are up coring on 14. It's day 2. Day 1 went pretty well. Weather's a little bit duller today, which doesn't help with the finishing, the top dress and stuff. Sand stays a bit wet, but we're still cracking on. Just show you the cores the guys are doing, give an idea what we're up to. You can see the scarifying lines. We'll just show you closely here. So they're going into the surface maybe 5 to 7 millimeters. They've been double scarified, so very little disruption to the surface, but takes a lot of dead organic material out, which is the goal. And then the core is going in to get a little bit deeper, and also gets the top lump of organic out. I'll take you down and show you a core hole, give you an idea of the size. So basically it's about 10 millimeter hole. And these are the cores. You can see the core here. This top bit here is a bit we're trying to control. So we'll cut that off. Try and show you. You can see there's a bit of moisture just sticks in there. That's what we need to keep under control. We need a little bit of fibre, a little bit attached, so the ball reacts correctly on the green when you hit a shot in, but we don't want too much. It makes a soft green, which creates an unhealthy layer, which kind of harbours disease and unhealthy grass growth. So things going well. Guys are in 14. I think we've got another 7 greens to do. Hoping the weather brightens up a little bit, which would help. But so far so good. Nice morning. I'll just swing you around. And so far so good. Keep going.